yet.
This is take 4.
Nope,
It's like take 10. So, my name's Katie McKay. That's Sierra Kiss.
Oh, hit my eye.
Our name of our thing is investment. If you didn't catch that already. So, please continue watching this video. It's what's it called? A mashup of Ed Sheeran's song Little Bird and Hallelujah by Panic at the Disco. Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All you sinners stand up, sing hallelujah. So raise everybody, stand up, sing hallelujah. And if you can't stop shaking, lean back and move right through ya. Say your prayer, say your prayer, say your prayer. Take this burden, broken life. We couldn't understand. She said, come inside, boy, lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, well, the worst thing is wake up on my shoulder. Lie down, just stay now, let me hold you. All you sinners stand up, sing hallelujah. Raise with your body, stand up, sing hallelujah. If you can't stop shaking me back and move right through you. Say your prayer, say your prayer, say your prayer. Take a walk out, morning dew. With the lay down, sit next to you. Come inside for me. And if you fall asleep, at least you're next to me. And wake up, stay loud, go back and sleep. By nature, I need safe now. Beneath this oak tree, with you beside me. All you sinners stand up, sing hallelujah. Praise with your body, stand up, sing hallelujah. And if you can't stop, take me back and move right through ya. Say your prayer, say your prayer, say your prayer. Say your prayer, say your prayer, say your prayer.
Cool. Please like this video and
subscribe.
subscribe.